In this video, I will show you step by step how to apply loan in Bank of Ireland or how you can get loan. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for Bank of Ireland. This is the keyword as you can see here. Click this personal loan. When you click this one, scroll down, choose live personal loan calculator, choose your amount you want to get, how to like to borrow, and then choose how long you need to repay the loan. Choose, for example, 2 years. Click apply this one for personal loan. You will be redirected to this page. After that, click if you are student, click yes. If you selected a student, apply, click yes. Standard loan, choose new loan. Choose have already loan, click yes. If you have already, click next. From there, click top up student, click get code this one. From here, choose your amount you want to remind your balance, for example, this one. And then for this one, after that, I click on next. So friends, for example, this amount here, click next. Choose your monthly or weekly payments. Choose your all this one, for example, 11 to make 11% per week over 5 years. Click next and then click start applications. Do you use the 365 online? Choose yes, choose this one, click next. After that, you can apply, click agree, and then write your confirmation. Next, choose your ID, this one online, and then enter your application details, such your name and all this one user. For example, this is the user. Click next, choose your verification codes, and then click upload your documentations. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you.